The state chairmo of Edo All Progressive Congress APC, Emperor Jared Tinebe, don't talk say the door of the party dey open for anybody wey wan join. He talk this one on behalf of the party as in the talk for the party secretariat on Monday, December 23, 2024, when he welcomed Honorable Ojiezele Sunday, the member where they represent Eastern Southeast. According to Chairmo Tinebe, Honorable Sezwa na man wey don show dedication to serve the people and say e sweet them wella to welcome am back into the APC fold. For im talk, Chairmo Tinebe kon yarn say no be the party fault say the opposition party dey face crisis wey dey make their members join APC. E con still talk say as dem don take over power for the state, the party don sabi why people no dey too come out to vote even though say Edo State get over 2 million registered voters. E con talk say the APC dey committed to ensure say more citizens go come out to vote for the next election and dem dey target 1.9 to 2 million voters and say this commitment go show in their effort to strengthen the party.
Honorable Ojiezele, we are happy to have you here today, and we are happy to receive you into our fold. If you can still remember, while we were campaigning, we said our doors are wide open for anybody who wants to come into our party to come. As we speak, our doors are still wide open. That's the reason why you can see this handsome, focused, hardworking, election-winning honorable member coming to join us today. It is not the fault of APC for PDP to have crisis in their party that will make their members to cross to us. And you have heard the section of the Constitution that gave him the powers and the right to cross carpet today. And we are happy to have him. And I also said a long time ago that as at the time I assumed the leadership of the party in the state, I said with the experience of our secretary and all members of State Working Committee, we broke into committees to find out the reason why we cannot turn out large number of votes in the state, even though Edo State has about 2-point-something million registered voters. Having done that, we realized, having taken over power in Edo State, we now saw the loopholes that has made it not possible for Edo State to register votes more than 500,000 in governorship election and even in presidential election. Right now, we are dealing with the issues. One of the major reasons is because we have a lot of registered voters in Edo that are not domiciled in Edo State. So the party has also taken it as a responsibility to go around the entire country to talk to our people so that they can be coming home to vote. And at least with the experience of our State Working Committee, we have decided that when next elections are coming, we are going to fine-tune that strategy that at least will give us up to 1-point-something million votes. What we are trying to say is that with the work we have already put in place, the next election that is coming, we are very convinced that APC will register up to 1.9 million to 2 million votes. So that is the work we have started today to do. Gentlemen of the press, from time to time you start seeing this because more people are knocking at our door to come in. We will have a robust party going into the next election.
After in talk, Chairmo Emperor Jared Tinebe on behalf of the party come officially receive Honorable Ojiezele Sunday into the APC as in give him the party symbol.
We are happy to receive Honorable Ojiezele today. By the power conferred on me as the chairman of APC Edo State, we this day receive you into the progressive fold. Honorable Ojiezele, you are welcome.
APC.
Progress.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Honorable Ojiezele says was Sunday after he don join APC officially, come thank the party for receiving am back, say with the broom of the APC, im go fit sweep challenges comot for Edo State and the constituency wey im represent. Ekosti tok say im first enter the House of Assembly for 2019 under the APC platform and now im don come back to pay the party back for the support. E come also tok say the reason wey im leave PDP na sake of the katakata wey dey inside the party, and that same wahala give am the chance to return back to APC to pay back the party the debt in the owe them.
I am grateful, lighthearted to receive this broom from you, and I'm sure by the grace of God, with this broom in my hands, we'll be able to sweep out every challenges we have before now in the Edo State. So in particular, Eastern Southeast State constituency, which I represent. I am Honorable Ojiezele Sunday Benome, Chief. You have to take note that my chief appears as a suffix, not as a preface. By the grace of God, I represent all the people of East and Southeast State constituency, and I'm a ranking honorable member. By the grace of God, this is my second time in the Edo State House of Assembly. I would want to start by letting you know that in 2019, I was first elected into the Edo State House of Assembly. Of course, APC was the platform that brought me and gave me the ladder to come into the State House of Assembly. Unfortunately, there were some challenges which led to my exit into PDP in company of the government. For that, I feel that today I am still indebted to APC because having sponsored me, I was supposed to spend 4 years with them, but I only spent 1 year, which means I'm indebted to them, which of course, that is the debt I have come to pay from this place. Also, you all are aware, according to section 109, subsection 1G, that the only reason why you can leave your party if there is irreconcilable division, which of course everybody is aware today that the party that sponsored my second tenure election, which is the PDP, is into that particular challenge today, which of course has given me a room to come and join the progressive, and also paving way for me to pay that debt which I've owed them. I want to be, at this juncture, I'm very grateful to the chairman of the APC at the state level, High Chief Emperor Jared Tenebe, for giving me the opportunity to come and pay the debt I owe. Thank you, I appreciate you very sincerely.
The Assistant Secretary of APC, Honorable Sam Obu, and the State Woman Leader, Betty Okwebo Bensi, come also welcome the Honorable Member into the party, as them here and say,
I'm from sister local governments to Honorable Ojiezele. I'm from Eastern Northeast local government, while he's from Eastern Southeast. To us, in that federal constituency as it were today, it's a thing of joy that he has come back to use his words to pay his debt, which he owed us. But we want him to understand that that debt has generated a lot of interest. And we also trust in his ability not only to pay the debt, but also to pay the interest. We have no doubt in his capacity as a performing legislator to contribute immensely to the growth of our party, to add to the ability of our party to win elections, both at the federal constituency and also at the state constituency. So, on behalf of the good people of Agba Zero Federal Constituency, in particular East and Northeast local government, we want to say, Honorable Ojiezele, you are welcome. We are happy to receive you back to our party. You are welcome. God bless you.
I am the most happiest person today, bringing back my brother, Honorable Ojiezele, back to APC. We all know his capacity. We know how he can turn things around for us in our senatorial. Not just Eastern Southeast, talking about the 5 local governments. Honorable Ojiezele, my wonderful brother and son, I know your coming to APC is a plus to our senatorial. And I pray and I also believe your coming is going to do a lot in the senatorial. May God bless you.
We are what God says we are. We are the winner and not a loser. We are what God says we are. They are what God says they are. They are what God says they are. They are the losers and not the winner. They are what God says we are.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know to take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojiezele, TMC TV News.